Well, again, if I was to be excited, I would be dancing here, guys. This is an absolutely amazing, spectacular recognition of the work of each and every one of you. Uh, there is no I in any one of these top workplace awards or any award in life. It's basically the leadership team, everybody else in the clinics who just kept going through the COVID period. It's obviously we could always do things better, but I think this will be such a huge boost to everyone who invested so much time, who gave so much thought into every little decision that was made. And at times the decisions were hard. However, this gives them that recognition that we appreciate everything you did. And I just can't thank every one of you enough for bestowing this award upon us. Thank you.